Welcome! During this video, we will discuss the Agile Business Analysis technique, Personas. Hi, my name is Esther Lessing and I'm the Director of Business Analysis Excellence. Join me on my journey of learning, educating and sharing the concepts and techniques of Agile Business Analysis. Personas are used to understand and empathize with an intended stakeholder in order to align the solution with the stakeholder need. Personas are fictional characters or archetypes that exemplify the way that typical users interact with the solution. They are often used in agile approaches to understand value from the perspective of a particular stakeholder and allow a team that may not have direct access to a customer representative to better understand their needs. Work can then focus on the features of greatest value to a particular persona. A persona is described as though it's a real person. Personas may provide a name, personality, family, work background, skill level, preferences, behavior patterns, personal attitudes, goals, and needs. They can also include a picture and a short day in the life narrative that helps to visualize the user and their experience. Business analysis practitioners use personas to gain a deeper understanding of stakeholders than is generally provided from a role or actor description. Personas help improve a solution, a purpose, and usability because they are patterned after the subtle qualities of real people that will interact with the solution and how they do their job. Personas are ranked to identify those that will realize the most benefit from the solution design. Business analysis practitioners frequently use two different templates when creating personas. A short template, which offers a one-page quick view of key information, and a long template, which offers more in-depth details and understanding. Additional user research helps to expand from a short template to a long template. Business analysis practitioners give personas a realistic name and attach a fictional image in order to increase its relatability and thereby the understanding of and empathy with the intended stakeholder. Personas include unique, distinguishing, and differentiating characteristics or traits regarding the intended stakeholder. For example, one ATM persona may be an office manager who deposits cash at the end of the day. A different ATM persona may be an individual who likes to get small amounts out at a time. Personas include a representation of the underlying motivations regarding how and why the intended stakeholder interacts with the solution. For example, an ATM office manager may be motivated by reducing risk of fraud or theft, whereas the individual withdrawing from the ATM may be motivated by withdrawing the minimum amount needed. Needs for the persona address very specific needs. These can be basic needs such as safety, trust, or access to food and shelter. They can be higher level needs such as the need for acceptance and validation. Differentiators identify specifically why this persona is different from another persona. They identify what is unique about this persona. These could be generational or experiential differentiators, preference differentiators, or identifying characteristics. Some of the strengths of this technique include: personas facilitate the shared understanding of specific requirements for different sets of users. Proposed solutions can be guided by how well they meet the needs of individual user personas. It provides a human face so as to focus empathy on the people represented by the demographics. If the data is available, using demographic data about the intended user population is a good way to start building personas. And personas help stakeholders from projecting individual values and biases onto the solution. They help to develop compassion for various users. Some of the limitations of this technique include: personas are fictional, So there is a tendency to create personas that embody traits common to most users, but this creates a generic user that is not distinct or realistic. This can lead to solutions that are trying to be everything to everyone. Personas may not be a good substitute for a real user. Personas can distance a team from a user community. Personas need to be often reviewed and updated. In summary, the technique referred to here as personas are used to understand and empathize with an intended stakeholder in order to align the solution to the stakeholder need. I look forward to sharing the next topic with you during the next video.